Amur leopards, a subspecies of leopard, inhabit the Amur River region in Russia, North Korea, and China. With fewer than 500 individuals remaining in the wild, their population has been critically endangered. The decline in Amur leopard numbers is primarily due to habitat loss from logging and farming. Poaching for their fur further exacerbates the issue, driving them closer to extinction. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their habitats and curb poaching. Organizations like WWF collaborate with local communities to promote sustainable practices, reducing reliance on hunting and logging. The Amur leopard has various names, including Manchurian leopard, Far Eastern leopard, and Korean leopard, with an estimated population of only 19 to 26 individuals. The Amur leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis, is distinctive with its thick fur and unique rosette patterns. Males measure 107 to 136 centimeters in length and weigh between 32 to 48 kilograms. Exceptional Amur leopards can weigh up to 75 kilograms. Their fur is notably thick, reaching up to 7 centimeters in winter, and their rosettes are marked and widely spaced. Amur leopards reside in nearly 7,000 square kilometers in the Russian Far East, adapted to endure cold weather and snowfall. They move between Japan, China, and Russia, often crossing the Tumen River. In 2010, an Amur leopard was spotted in Hunshan National Nature Reserve in China, expanding their known range. Smaller populations exist in isolated areas of northeast China. Amur leopards spend most of their time on the ground, being primarily nocturnal and solitary. They share territory when prey is abundant, but prefer to hunt alone. As opportunistic predators, Amur leopards hunt small to medium prey, like wild pigs and roe deer. They also venture into mountains to hunt Siberian ibexes and hares. Their main prey includes sika deer and roe deer, but they also hunt wild boar, moose, badgers, hares, and game birds. They hunt with a suffocating bite and cache their prey. Historically, Amur leopards roamed eastern Siberia, Korea, and Manchuria. Their range has significantly reduced, now confined to small, isolated populations in the Russian Far East and parts of China. Currently, their wild range is limited to eastern Russia's Primorye province and China's Jilin province. Their status in North Korea remains unknown. Amur leopards choose territories with abundant wild animals, migrating with ungulate herds. Their primary prey in the Ussuri region includes Siberian roe deer and Manchurian sika deer. Distinct for their thick fur and pale cream-colored winter coats, Amur leopards are adapted to deep snow with larger paws and can run up to 58 kilometers per hour. Amur leopards live around 10 years in the wild, maintaining fertility throughout their life. Their population decline is due to habitat loss, poaching, and genetic issues. Fines and imprisonment penalties in Russia help protect Amur leopards from poaching. Conservation laws make it illegal to store, transport, or sell their remains. Amur leopards are crucial as top predators, maintaining the species ratio in their ecosystem. Their absence would disrupt the balance, affecting other wildlife and resources. Conservation efforts include captive breeding programs, with 173 Amur leopards in captivity worldwide as of 2011. These programs ensure genetic diversity and a potential for reintroduction. Threats to Amur leopards include inbreeding, poaching, habitat destruction, and competition for prey. Inbreeding reduces genetic diversity, threatening their long-term survival. The World Wildlife Fund and other organizations work with the Russian government to preserve Amur leopards, halting harmful projects and promoting habitat conservation. Anti-poaching efforts by WWF aim to protect Amur leopards in northeastern China and the Russian Far East, preventing illegal trade of leopard parts. Several organizations, including the Amur Leopard and Tiger Alliance, focus on conservation, habitat preservation, and reintroduction programs to save this critically endangered species. By supporting these efforts and raising awareness, we can contribute to the survival of the Amur leopard, ensuring this magnificent species does not vanish from the wild.